In today's video, we answer the question, should I buy a steel deck or concrete deck truck scale? Next. Both steel deck truck scales and concrete deck truck scales have their own advantages and disadvantages. Here are some points to consider when deciding between the two. Steel deck truck scales are generally more portable and easier to install than concrete deck scales. They can be placed on a flat surface and do not require any special foundation work. Steel deck truck scales are typically less expensive than concrete deck scales. Steel deck scales may not be as durable as concrete deck scales and may require more maintenance over time. They may also be more prone to damage from heavy loads or harsh weather conditions. Concrete deck truck scales are typically more durable and long-lasting than steel deck scales. They are less likely to be damaged by heavy loads or harsh weather conditions. Concrete deck truck scales require a special foundation and can be more difficult and expensive to install than steel deck scales. Concrete deck truck scales are generally more expensive than steel deck scales. This scale has a longer install time since you also have to wait for the concrete to cure before using the scale. Ultimately, the choice between a steel deck and a concrete deck truck scale will depend on your specific needs, budget, and timeline. Consider the factors we've just mentioned and weigh the pros and cons of each type of scale to determine which one is the best fit for you. I hope this video has been helpful. Be sure to hit that like button, and while you're at it, go ahead and subscribe to our channel as well. See you next time!